All right, everybody, I've got some fabulous new Hot Wheels. Look at this. I've got me some 5-packs and a 9-pack, 2 5-packs and a 9-pack. Some really fabulous. You can't always count on finding the really cool Hot Wheels in the single packs. Boy, look at this Nova. This is one great car. This one is almost, oh boy. I hate to even take this one out of the package because look at the package. This thing is beautiful. Look at those flames. Fabulous. You know, it's got a few nicks on the flames. I think I'll leave this one in the package for now. But I really need one of these loose. This thing is gorgeous. Look at that Nova. Wowee. Wow. 66 Nova. I'm going to put her up on the shelf. I got a nice little shelf over here. Check this out. Where I just lean these cards back. Some of my favorites. The Barbie car. Look at that. Oh, look at that treasure. Super treasure hunt. I bought the 2018 factory set, so I got all the treasure hunts and went through there and found some of the really cool models like this. What's this? 19 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss. This one's cool. Doesn't have any logos or anything, or, you know, not much decoration on it or anything, so it's really cool. What is this? This is the Porsche Spider. Pretty cool. I just put a few up here. I got a few over there. Got plenty of room for more, but, you know, I keep opening up because I typically find my best cars in these 5-packs. This one is the Hot Wheels Flame 5-pack. It's got a lot of neat models in it. I gotta have this one for sure. That is the, boy, it's hard to read them when they're all chromy like that, but this one is, oh, this one doesn't even say on it. 66, there it is, 66 Ford Fairlane GT. Look at this thing, satin blue, white wheels. Kind of an interesting combination. Nice gray interior. Thank goodness it's not chrome. That's a good looking piece. Look at that. That is a good looking Hot Wheels. And here we got a, here we've got made in France. No, it's Indonesia. Just kidding there. This one is, what is that? That is the Dodge, right? Dodge. I believe it is a Dodge. I'm really terrible at memorizing names of Hot Wheels cars. But, you know, if a car drives by a real car, I can usually name it and hear it right away. That's a cool one. I know I got a bunch of those, and I do like the Camaros too. Not too crazy about this orange Camaro. It's got a little carried away, but for now I'm gonna add this to the collection, and the rest of them are this black Mustang. Pretty darn cool. Not something I really care about there. And the I do like the Dodge Viper. This one I don't like, but in general the Dodge Viper's pretty nice. They're starting to go to these gray plastic bases. Not crazy about those. That seems more like something you'd put on a really cheap car, the gray plastic. So, not sure about that. I'm going to put those off to the side. And then we got a couple of cars in here I wanted. Of course, you know I love the trucks. Did a truck video yesterday. Look at that. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Hot Wheels Speed Shop in baby blue. Or is it robin's egg blue? It is a blue. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Fabulous. Wonderful. Fantastical. And then they got the big guy here. I think we had one of these yesterday, I do believe. And it's something. And oh, of course, I have to have this Nissan pickup. Datsun pickup right there. That one's pretty cool. Got those new gold wheels. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Put that over in the truck series. Cars series, Dodge, Ford, Chevys. What else we got in here? We got this nice pickup truck. Looks like a Ford. Says Ford. 2009 Ford F-150. I wonder how they decide which ones to put the names on and which ones not to put the names on. And then this one is kind of neat. I know if you get to find the old white one, this is actually a really fast car on the earlier versions. Not sure about this version, but my grandson races the white one, and it goes really fast. Put that back in there to be thrown back. Throw that back. All right. All right. Then the fantastic 9-pack. It's got the special Z car. And let me back up here. But the car I was shooting for here, I love the Mavericks. Had to have this Maverick. And maybe a red Barracuda. Let's see what you got. There's some neat cars in here. I don't know what they are, but they're pretty neat. Monty Racer. It's kind of neat. They put a lot of work into this stupid thing. That's for sure. This one's pretty cool. Almost looks like a car. Sports car. What's it called? Doesn't say. I don't know. How do they decide which BDD04? Maybe that's the name. BDD04. Something like that. I don't know. I do like the red Barracuda, of course. Got to keep the Barracuda. Go with the color scheme. I got the silver one already. kind of like this one. Kind of like this one. Oh, I'm having trouble with the focus there. Here, come on. Come on, focus in there, right there. Okay, there it is. Focusing on the phone right there. This is not a professional organization here. This is a Triumph TR6. Triumph TR6. That's a good looking car. I think I do believe it came in a British racing green at one time. That was real nice. That's a real nice car. And you got the Z. That's a good one. Wasn't crazy about the Z, but they've made a few colors of it that look really great. So now I'm a Z fan again. Z fan, there it is. Hey, what's this over here? This bottle rocket thing. Salt shaker. Oh, salt shaker. Okay. I do like these goofy cars. Look at those skinny tires, chrome. Look at all the work that went into this thing. This thing is neat. It's just neat. I don't know what you do with it. I can tell you what, if you put 48 cars that look like, you know, goofy like this in a $12 case, and then you go to sell it, guess what? You get about $12 because nobody buys these things. Are you kidding me? But we're going to race that one, so we'll leave that out. Some of these might be good racers, though, actually. I don't know. They look like they'd go fast. This one looks fast. Monoposto. And this one is a... What is this? How do they do that? They put names on some and not on all. Why? I don't know. Oh, got to get my Maverick out of there before I forget. Oh, yeah. Look at that beauty. My Maverick. Oh, that's gorgeous. I love this car. That one is gorgeous. This one is beautiful, and this one is beautiful. Look at those two. Wow, those are definitely the best two of this lot today. Let's see, can I drag anything else out? Wow, look at those. I love those. I love those. And I'll put this wagon in there with it because I love this new wagon from yesterday. Open that one. It's fantastic. This one's kind of neat. These are neat. And it's, you know, this car comes in some really fabulous color combinations. This is not one of them. Well, it looks relatively interesting. So we'll put that in the collection for now. We'll put all these in the collection for now. We'll take this one down and race it. And that is all for today's video. Opening 9-packs and 5-packs. Be sure to comment below. Leave a thumbs up. Watch all my videos. There's only 397 prior to this and another 1,000 after this, I'm sure. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you later.